Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track sleep in the MyFitnessPal food tracker app. So if you want to also track sleep in MyFitnessPal, which might help you with some issues that you're having, maybe you want to see how sleep affects your eating habits and stuff like that, you can do that by going to the dashboard. You can find it in the bottom left, and then scrolling down and press sleep, and you can see how food affects your sleep. So if you connect like a health app that you have on your phone, maybe like Apple Health if you're on iOS, or Health Connect if you're on other devices and stuff like that. So if you connect that, it will show you like how much you've slept and how to adjust your routine, and just how that affects your food, like your eating habits. So let's press Set Up Health Connect. So you're gonna have to do that because that app tracks your sleep habits. Press Allow All, and press Allow on the bottom. And there we go. Now that we're synchronized, you can see that if you're tracking sleep in the Health Connect app, for example, on my phone. So let me just find the Health Connect app. Oh, that's the wrong app. But if you've connected your health and you're tracking your sleep in that app, it's going to display right here, and it's going to give you some tips, give you like tracking options and different stuff like that. So you can check your like sleeping hours right here in this tab, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.